Wait, a Muslim ruler actually burned copies of the Quran? Sounds shocking, doesn't it? But here's the part almost nobody tells you. He did it to save the Quran, not destroy it. Let me explain. After the Prophet Muhammad passed away, the first caliph, Hazrat Abu Bakr, became the leader of the Muslim community. Soon after, Muslims fought one of the toughest battles in Islamic history, the Battle of Yamama. Many of the greatest memorizers of the Quran were martyred. That terrified Hazrat Umar. He feared that if more Hafaz were lost, future generations might struggle to preserve every verse exactly as it had been revealed. So he approached Hazrat Abu Bakr with an idea. Let's compile the Quran into one written manuscript. At first Hazrat Abu Bakr hesitated. The Prophet Muhammad had never gathered it into a single book during his lifetime. But after careful consideration, he realized this wasn't changing the Quran. It was protecting it. The task was given to one man, Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit. Not just anyone. He was one of the Prophet Muhammad's personal scribes. He had written revelation as it descended. He was trusted by everyone. His mission wasn't easy. Every verse had to be verified through written records and multiple eyewitnesses who had memorized it directly from the Prophet Muhammad. No shortcuts. No guessing. Only absolute certainty. Eventually, the complete manuscript was finished. This copy stayed with Hazrat Abu Bakr, then Hazrat Umar, then Hazrat Hafsah bint Umar, one of the wives of the Prophet Muhammad. Problem solved. Or so it seemed. Years later, Islam spread rapidly. Persia, Syria, Egypt, North Africa. New Muslims entered Islam from every nation imaginable. And that's when something unexpected happened. Different companions possessed personal manuscripts. These weren't fake Qurans. Most contained the same revelation. But many included personal notes, explanations, or were written according to different accepted Arabic dialects in which the Quran had originally been revealed. For experienced Arabs, this wasn't a problem. For new Muslims, it became confusing. People even started arguing over whose recitation was correct. Imagine the Muslim world beginning to divide over pronunciation and personal copies. That was the real danger. When Hazrat Uthman saw what was happening, he acted. He borrowed the official manuscript from Hazrat Hafsah. Then once again, he appointed Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit to lead the project. Why Hazrat Zayd? Because he had already compiled the Quran under Hazrat Abu Bakr. He had written revelation during the Prophet Muhammad's lifetime. If anyone could do it accurately, it was him. They carefully produced official copies using the dialect of Quraysh, the dialect in which the Quran was first revealed. These copies were sent across the growing Muslim world. Then came the controversial order. Hazrat Uthman instructed that unofficial manuscripts and personal copies be destroyed. Yes, burned. But not because the Quran had changed. Because people were confusing personal notes, regional spellings, and dialect differences with the actual Quran. Removing those copies prevented future confusion and protected one universally accepted text. Even Hazrat Uthman's own personal copy was included. This wasn't about power, it was about unity. Hazrat Abu Bakr preserved the Quran after the loss of many memorizers. Hazrat Uthman standardized the written text as Islam spread across the world. One protected the Quran from being lost. The other protected Muslims from becoming divided. That's why Hazrat Uthman burned those manuscripts. Not to destroy the Quran, but to preserve it. And more than 1,400 years later, Muslims around the world still recite the very same Quran. May Allah be pleased with Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Uthman, Hazrat Zayd bin Thabit, Hazrat Hafsah bint Umar, and all the companions who safeguarded his book. Ameen.